7 years ago, whilst holidaying overseas, I was confronted for the first time with the reality that there were homeless people living on the streets. My 10-year-old mind was filled with so many questions, but the question I struggled with the most was who did they talk to when they felt scared or alone? Upon returning home, I discovered an organisation that profoundly moved and inspired me. Their vision sparked a deep passion within me to actively contribute to positive change and make a meaningful impact in our community, with the help of my own peers starting right here at Canterbury. I'm so proud of the impact Canterbury has made and how we have embraced the Sudsy Challenge. I'm excited to introduce our guest speaker for today. 2016 Young Australian of the Year and 2020 Order of Australian medalist, Nicholas Marchesi is an entrepreneur, innovator and storyteller. Nick has been instrumental in the significant growth of Orange Sky and is passionate about leading Orange Sky to deliver on its 5-year mission, supporting 40,000 friends by 2025. Please welcome Nick Marchesi.
And we hit the streets of Brisbane with 2 washers and 2 dryers. And we wanted to do one thing. We wanted to simply wash and dry clothes for free. We set the van up and it was my job to find some washing. And I went over to this bench and there was a man sleeping. And I said, "Excuse me, I know it sounds a little bit strange, but there's a van over there that's got some washing machines in it. Can we wash and dry his clothes?" He thought I was a bit strange, and a few minutes later, for whatever reason, this guy brought potentially his only possessions in his life over to the van. So in a couple of weeks' time, Orange Sky turns 10, and Sudsy has brothers and sisters all around Australia and New Zealand. Orange Sky's got over 3,500 incredibly compassionate and amazing volunteers that take over 65 vans out to over 400 locations to help people. But the biggest impact is actually far from that washing. It's an awesome conversation and which you've supported. So my job here today is to do one very special thing, and that's to thank you from the bottom of my heart, from people like Gordon, from people like Harry, for making Orange Sky possible. Because we can deliver our service only because of people like yourself doing incredible things. So a massive thank you for your extraordinary fundraising this year. A massive congratulations to the people that participated in the Sudsy Challenge last year. And I think potentially, I don't want to set you up to fail, but last year you were the biggest fundraiser in all of Australia. And this year you're currently leading as well. So potentially for 2 years in a row, you guys have been the most generous people helping Orange Sky.